Are you remodeling? Want to make sure your living room is comfortable when you're done? The best solution for great rooms or cathedral ceiling insulation is closed cell spray foam insulation. This remodel install was done by Stellrr Insulation. In Austin, Texas, the performance code requirement for spray foam is R25, which is about 3.5 inches of closed cell spray foam insulation, compared to open cell foam at 6.5 to 7 inches to achieve R25. Or other options like blown or batt insulation takes up 12 to 20 inches to meet Austin's prescriptive code of R49. So why does this space matter? Well, many great rooms have raised ceilings, the slope with the roof, instead of a flat 8-foot high ceiling, meaning regular ceilings have enough room to meet code with old school insulation. But cathedral ceilings often have very confined ceiling space. If your drywall is screwed to the roof rafter tails, you may only have 3.5 inches, 5.5, 7.5 inches. And even if you have 2x8 rafters, you only have 7.5 inches. To meet Austin's performance code would require 6.5 to 7 inches of open cell, which is much more lumpy than closed cell. Getting a great install with open cell is challenging. It's not safe because it requires sawing excess material overhead, whereas closed cell foam can be installed to lay very flat with a 1/2 inch variation. So the best time to fix your ceiling insulation is when you're remodeling and have the ceiling down. Or if you're not planning a remodel, give Stellrr a call and we can discuss your options for properly insulating your living room ceiling. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button. For more information about making your home comfortable and energy efficient, subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Hope you have a great day.